So in this video I'm gonna display a program where we are going to display the hello world in the assembly language. So first I'm making the skeleton, which is the model small, and this dot stack 100s. You can put anything here, and in the data segment, and here the code segment. Here the code segment. In data segment, here is one text, and this is defined byte. So this is the hello world. So we are terminating it by the $sign. So this is our data, the hello world, and in the code segment here main proc, and we are ending the main procedure here in main p, and finally exiting the program by end main. So I am first here making the skeleton, and here first it should be move ax @data, and the others should be move data segment ax, and the others should be move ah 4c, and at last in 21h. So this is the basic skeleton of our program. So this is the basic skeleton. So for displaying the string, we have to get the base address of this text variable. So by getting the getting the offset or base address, I am making one command, may move dx offset of this text. So here I am writing text, and for displaying the string, the service number is 9 hexadecimal, or the binary 9, both are same. So I'm gonna move as9. So this has initialized for displaying the string, and for displaying, so we are terminating by in 21s. So let's see our program should work. Let me try it. And here they run the assembly code, and here is the JS-DOS. So here error message is none, warning message is none, pass is 1, and here is the it has displayed our hello world here. You can see it in the bottom. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe.